Raging wildfires surrounding Los Angeles spread to the Hollywood Hills Wednesday, with helicopters racing to douse the flames with water drops. It raised the number of major wildfires in Los Angeles County to 6 by Wednesday evening. From space, the conflagration could be seen gripping the city in a glowing red pincer. The earlier fires have already caused several deaths and destroyed hundreds of homes, while strong winds have hampered firefighting efforts and intensified the flames, which have burned uncontrollably since they erupted on Tuesday. Over 100,000 people have been evacuated, while state officials said 4 of the blazes were at 0% containment as night fell Wednesday.
This firestorm is the big one.
LA Mayor Karen Bass had returned to the city after cutting short an official trip to Ghana.
We are still facing strong and erratic winds. In Palisades and in Sylmar, we are very much in an active firefight. I can report to you that the Woodley fire, however, in the Sepulveda Basin is under control. I can also report that finally air operations have resumed, and that is a big deal, but it is up to the winds as to how long the air support can continue.
The Palisades fire had already consumed over 15,000 acres in the upscale area west of LA, home to many celebrities and musicians. Officials said some fire hydrants had run dry there, hobbling firefighters. To the east, the Eaton fire in the foothills of the San Gabriel Mountains claimed about 10,000 acres. They struck at an especially vulnerable time for Southern California, which has not seen significant rainfall for months. Dry desert air from the east also fanned the flames while blowing over the hilltops and down through the canyons. Scientists say it's all come well outside the traditional wildfire season. They mark the latest in weather extremes likely to escalate as global temperatures continue to climb.